That's all you need to know about stablecoins. Almost every crypto investor resorts to using stablecoins. These are cryptocurrencies linked to an asset. This is usually the US dollar. Stablecoins act as the main currency for making payments, as their exchange rate is stable and transactions are fast. The stablecoin market is huge. There are dozens of types of coins to choose from, varying in management system, provision organization, popularity, and so on. Despite this, the four largest stablecoins occupy a large part of the market: USDT, USDS, Binance USD, and DAI. Let's figure out what principles should be used to determine which stablecoin is more reliable, more convenient, and safer. Basically, stablecoins are divided into two groups. These are decentralized and centralized stablecoins. Usually, centralized organizations offer stablecoins linked to a fiat currency. It can be the US dollar, the euro, or anything else. It is impossible to organize a decentralized link to any asset from the real world. Therefore, only centralized organizations can provide stablecoins with real currency. The centralized stablecoin market is represented by such giants as Circle, USDS, Tether, USDT, and Binance, BUSD. Let's consider each stablecoin separately. So, USDT. USDT appeared in the 2014 year and became the first stablecoin. It was originally called Real Coin, but was renamed after the rebranding. USDT ranks third in the cryptocurrency ranking according to CoinMarketCap, and now its trading volume is even ahead of Bitcoin. Most of the USDT offerings are focused on the Tron blockchain. Stablecoin is also used in other networks. Ethereum takes the second place in popularity and volume of supply. The issue of tokens is handled by Tether Limited. When a user sends fiat money to a company's bank account, Tether Limited creates a token in a 1-to-1 ratio with a fiat dollar. That is, for each dollar sent, 1 USDT is issued, which is sent to the user. This is how tokens are put into circulation. Withdrawal from circulation occurs in the same way, only in reverse order. USDT is sent to Tether Limited, and fiat money is sent to the user. After that, the token is destroyed. USDT collateral. Tether secures USDT through the US dollar, US Treasury bills, and other securities. Officially, Tether holds as reserves 82.5% of cash and short-term securities, 4 as many as 69% of corporate bonds, funds, and precious metals, 9 as many as 0.2% of secured loans, 3 whole 85% of other investments, including tokens. Unfortunately, there is currently not a single project that would fully provide its stablecoin with a real US dollar. However, Tether has been in existence for 10 years and has experienced more than one economic crisis, and despite scandals, continues to provide one-to-one pegging. Now it has appeared in our USDS queue in the 2018 year. It was created by the Circle company together with the Coinbase USDS exchange, which occupies the 7th place in the cryptocurrency rating according to CoinMarketCap. Its market trading volume per day is less, compared to USDT by 9.5 times. But despite this, the stablecoin is popular. On the Circle website, statistics on USDS are shown, which is updated daily. USDS Circle Security keeps USDS reserves in the cash and short-term American bonds. The current proportion, these are 22 and 1% cash and 77 and 9% short-term US Treasury bonds. Reserves are managed by large organizations, including BlackRock, Bank of New York, and BNY Mellon, so the market rarely has questions about whether they have enough reserves. How does the issue of USDS occur? The USDS emission mechanism is identical to the USDT mechanism, so we will not delve into this topic. What can you be afraid of if you have USDS? At least the fact that Circle can block wallets. In 2022 year, an example was the blocking of Tornado Cash Bitcoin Mixer wallets, which contained more than 75,000 USDS. Also, in 2020 year, $100,000 in USDS were blocked at the request of law enforcement agencies. In fact, USDS seeks to become the state stablecoin of the USA. Circle works as a regulated company in the USA, unlike Tether. Although Tether also blocks funds at the request of the authorities, Binance USD. In USD was created by Paxos and Binance in the 2019 year. Of the popular and large stablecoins, it is the youngest. Its daily trading volume is less than USDT 4 times, but more than USDS 2.5 times. BUSD released on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, and Binance issue tokens on the BP20 network and store them in the ERC20 address. BUSD can be moved between networks through withdrawal on the Binance exchange or through the Binance bridge. How does BUSD issue happen? BUSD ERC20 is produced by Paxos using the same mechanism as USDS and USDT BUSD BEP20. This is a token linked to BUSD ERC20. It is issued specifically in Binance. It is not associated with PACOS, and therefore does not fall under the regulation of the New York State Financial Services Authority. Unlike BUSD ERC20, BUSD reserves of BUSD ERC20 consist of American debt obligations. PACOS publishes reserve reports monthly, so as BUSD BEP20 is issued by Binance and is not associated with PACOS, stablecoin is not backed by dollars, but is backed by BUSD tokens on the ERC20 network that are stored in the exchange's reserves. What can you be afraid of if you have BUSD? In fact, no risks have been identified when using BUSD. BUSD has never been blocked in the wallets of their holders, but this probability always remains, since stablecoin is centralized. Where are the centralized stablecoins? Such coins maintain their course through smart contracts that automatically try to maintain the course of the coin. Here, stablecoins can be divided into two more types: algorithmic and having excess collateral in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular cryptocurrencies with excess collateral. Usually, the course of such coins is supported by other fundamental and extremely liquid crypto assets: Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB. Such a niche represent DAI coins, USDD, and MIM. By and large, they are algorithmic because management occurs automatically. However, they are not commonly called as such. Consider the principle of operation on the example of DAI released by the MakerDAO project. The DAI contract does not provide for the ability to block accounts, so hackers usually try to immediately transfer all centralized assets to DAI, which also means that no one will ever have your DAI coins. You will not be taken away under any circumstances by the provision and issue of DAI. Excess provision for DAI can vary between 150 and 200%, which means, what if you want to get 100 DAI, you will need to provide another liquid asset in the equivalent of $150 to $200. When the price of your asset falls to the minimum allowable security, any blockchain user can liquidate your position by initiating a function in the DAI contract. Usually, bots working independently of DAI do this. This mechanism concerns the issue of tokens. If you buy DAI on the stock exchange, you don't have to worry about that. Let's talk about the risks of DAI. Half of DAI's reserves are stored in USDS. If Circle blocks USDS, which is secured by DAI, that is, there is a risk that users will not be able to exchange DAI back to USDS, but this applies only to those users who did not buy on the exchange or wallet, but deposited collateral and issued a new token themselves. Stablecoins are usually used to save capital before the onset of a crisis, or simply if they do not want to have a floating balance. Also, stablecoins are often used to calculate in cryptocurrency, since transactions with them are fast, cheap, and there is no volatility of the USDT exchange rate. The most popular crypto asset pegged to the US dollar, the time-tested BUSD and USDS, are less popular stablecoins pegged to the US dollar. The rest of the stablecoins, including DAI, are much inferior to them. It is impossible to say which stablecoin is the best, since everyone has their advantages. The best way is to diversify the portfolio if you are afraid of storing assets in one of the cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I hope it has become clearer to you about what stablecoins are and how they work. Until we meet soon.